Imagine a man who buys lottery tickets every month. Every time he thinks, this ticket will change my life. Sometimes he gets small wins, but most of the time he walks away empty-handed. Over time, his money disappears, but his hope never fades. This is the same mindset many traders have, the search for one big win. They believe a single trade will unlock their financial freedom. But the truth is, trading is not a lottery.
Over 93% of traders lose money in the markets, not because of the market, but because of their mindset. Hi, I'm GC Sharma, founder of Ghar Ghar Investor, former head of financial education at the National Stock Exchange. After 3 decades in the markets, I'm here to help you trade with discipline, not emotion. Welcome to Bounce Back Trader, India's free YouTube learning series for traders who want to bounce back with clarity and confidence.
Trading is a skill, a process, where patience and discipline are the real currency. The biggest problem for Indian retail traders is the belief that one big trade will solve all their problems. Seeing weekly options double or triple in a single day makes them believe that's the path. But the ground reality is different. Most people lose all their profits in the very next wrong trade. This jackpot illusion forces traders to take excessive risks. They put their entire capital into a single trade, just hoping for a big bang. But in trading, survival comes first, and chasing jackpots is the enemy of survival. SEBI reports show that 91% of traders in equity derivatives lose money. Only 9% make any profit, and just 1% of traders earned more than 1 lakh after costs in a 3-year period. These numbers speak for themselves. The majority chasing big wins ultimately end up in losses. And this isn't just Indian data. Globally, research shows that traders who chase short-term jackpots have very low long-term survival rates. According to NSE 2023-24 data, weekly index option volumes hit an all-time high, but 80% of contracts expired worthless. In other words, most traders chasing jackpots ended up with nothing. The same story repeats globally. US retail option traders also see big wins for a day, but months of losses afterward. Reality is simple. Big profits do not last, and true wealth is built slowly with consistency. Why do traders believe one big win will make them successful? The first reason is greed, the desire to make money quickly. The second is thrill, the adrenaline rush from taking a big risky trade. The third is the hero illusion. People want a story that they made a fortune in a single day. These are the stories that go viral on social media and WhatsApp groups. But the hidden truth is, only the lucky winners' stories are shared, while thousands of stories of people who lost everything never come to light. Rajesh made big profits twice in weekly Bank Nifty options. He thought he was a genius. He doubled his capital, but lost his entire account the very next month. On the other hand, Anita, a disciplined trader, set a simple 2% monthly target. That small-looking growth doubled her capital in 3 years, without stress and without wipeouts. The third example is Suresh. After one jackpot trade, he made so much money that he quit his job. But within 6 months of chasing jackpots daily, he lost his entire savings. Another inspiring story is Meena's. She adopted a slow and steady approach, understood the power of compounding, and within 5 years of disciplined trading, she bought her first house with the profits. Rajesh and Suresh chased shortcuts and lost, while Anita and Meena showed patience and built wealth. Scene 6. Reframe. The real edge. The real edge in trading is not a jackpot trade, but a consistent process. Risk management, patience, and compound growth are what make a trader successful. If a cricketer tries to hit a 6 on every ball, most of the time he'll get out. But if he keeps rotating the strike and protecting his wicket, the team wins the match. Similarly, a trader's job is survival and consistency. Chasing jackpots is gambling, but following a process is professionalism. So friends, the takeaway is simple. The big win in trading is a myth. Real growth comes from small, consistent gains that compound into large wealth. Action steps. 1. Set a realistic monthly target, like 2 to 3%. 2. Write in your journal when you tried chasing a jackpot trade and what the outcome was. 3. Ask yourself, do I want to build wealth or just be a one-day hero? Reflection questions. Do you remember your biggest loss? Was it caused by chasing a jackpot trade? Here's an exercise. Calculate what happens if you make just 2% a month for 3 years. Compare it to a scenario where you try to make 100% in a single trade. You'll realize compounding is far more powerful. And always remember, in cricket, Rahul Dravid won matches by rotating strike patiently, while Sehwag created fireworks occasionally. In trading, it's better to be Dravid than Sehwag.
You've just completed another lesson of Bounce Back Trader. Remember, trade with discipline, not emotion. Subscribe to the channel, share your thoughts in the comments, and continue your journey in the next video. Let's change that 93% story.